businesses are feeling the effects of yesterday's flood.
And KSNT News reporter Raina Garcia talked with employees about how they're coming together to get their businesses back up and running.
A little rain has not stopped Manhattan businesses from continuing the recovery process after being hit hard by the flood. Employees have been working around the clock to reopen their doors to customers as soon as possible. Staff members from Genesis Health Clubs and PowerCat Sports Girl have been working tirelessly to save as much as possible from their buildings. Despite being without power, employees spent the last 24 hours cleaning and assessing the damage. Genesis Health Clubs wasted no time getting the gym back in tip-top shape.
We knew that we had to act quickly. We got restoration crews here. We got about 60 employees from across the Midwest for Genesis, and we had probably 30-40 members come in, volunteer, and give their time.
The staff at PowerCat Sports Girl also quickly began recovery efforts. Manager Bo Harris says with the NFL season kicking off this week, he's hoping he'll reopen soon enough to give fans a place to enjoy it.
Hopefully by this weekend. I got a couple thousand K-State fans that like to eat here.
Dykes says he's proud of the staff's positive attitudes throughout the process.
You know, everybody works for the same goals, and obviously getting our facility open for our members, getting our facility open for our staff is our priority, as well as safety right now.
Neither of the businesses have a set date to reopen, but they're both aiming for sometime this week. In Manhattan, Raina Garcia, KSNT News.